Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all fine. Here we are discussing now series of insurance company, their pros and cons, and their facts and figures for policyholder. Today's our topic is micro insurance. In this video, we will discuss on what is micro insurance. A growing number of insurers are tapping into market in developing country through microinsurance projects which provide low cost insurance to individuals generally not covered by traditional insurance or government programs. Microinsurance products tend to be much less costly than traditional products and thus extend protection to much wider market. The approach is an outgrowth of microfinancing projects developed by Bangladeshi Nobel Prize winning banker and economist Muhammad Yunus, which help millions of low income individuals in Asia and Africa to set up businesses and buy houses. American International Groups Incorporation AIG was one of the first companies to offer microinsurance and began selling policies in Uganda in 1997. Swiss Re-Muncie, Re-Allianz and Zurich Financial Service has also entered the microinsurance arena. Disasters such as 2005 tsunami in Indonesia and 2010 Haiti earthquake have demonstrated a need for insurance in many regions, prompting insurers to develop new products. While the coverage is often geared to protest from natural disaster, there are also programs covering life health risk as well. With limited growth prospects in the insurance market of developed countries, which are largely saturated, insure see microfinance in emerging economic as presenting significant potential for growth and profitability. A 2009 Swiss report on world insurance market found that premium growth in emerging markets far outpaced growth in industrialized countries. In 2008, the study identified the following regions as emerging markets: Latin America, Central and Eastern Europe, South and East Asia, the Middle East, excluding Israel, and Central Asia, Turkey, and Africa. In 2019, the International Association of Insurance Supervisors, the World Bank, the International Labour Organization, and other multilateral groups launch a program to improve access to insure in emerging and underserved market called the Cross Microfinancing Projects. Access to Insure initiative also in 2019, representatives from over 60 countries participated in the 5th International Micro Insurance Conference, which was organized by the Reinsurers Muncie Re and Microinsurance Network, a joint effort of 8 organizations, multilateral agencies, insure policies, and academics. I hope you will understand all the topic today that I cover in microinsurance. I hope you will love my videos. Inshallah, see you in next video with a new topic regards insurance policies and their pros and cons and their benefits. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.